Hello, Mid-American region, and happy fall, y'all. It's that time of year where there's all kinds of fun fall activities. So this month's plug and play marketing plan, I'm excited to share, is ready to go. And we'll be talking all about orchards and pumpkins and haunts and corn mazes, putting together that fun fall 2025 guide for your clients. So I'm Amy Stack. I'm your Mid-American regional tech trainer, and I will show you how you can find your plug and play fall marketing kit and how you can use it. So first of all, let's see what's in it and how you can find it and edit it. So we're on the dashboard of Command. We're going to go ahead and just click on that Smart Plan icon on the left. From there, you'll go to the library at the top and type in the search bar MAR OCT for October 2025, and you'll see there's 4 options here. So we've got 4 main areas in the region. We've got Chicagoland, Northern Illinois, Central and Southern Illinois, and Indiana. So just select the one that applies to you. Today we're going to talk about the Chicagoland one. I haven't done that one in a bit. And you'll go ahead and hit download, and you might have to hit it twice if you don't have both of the smart plans in there already. You'll get that little success message at the bottom, and you'll be able to go back to the section at the top left that says My Smart Plans. And then that smart plan will be available for you. It should be the very first one in your library. And if you want to go ahead and see what that looks like or make any edits, you can go all the way over to the right and hit that edit pencil. And you'll notice here we have 3 steps. We've got send an email, send a text message, and add to Smart Plan. Now, if you don't use Twilio in Command for this send text step, you'll just get a task reminder to go ahead and send that text message out. So our email looks like this. Let's click on it, go over to the right and hit that edit pencil. So I just want to show you how you can edit it right out of the gate here. You'll see the little thumbnail pop up, and you can hit the 3 dots here and hit Edit Design. This will also let you preview it at the same time. So right now we're in the editor, and you can see we've got our pumpkins, orchards, mazes, and haunts. There's a little message to your clients. There's even a section here on Fall Fun Essentials, so it's gear to bring along on those fun fall adventures. Your clients will be able to click these and actually get links to order them if they'd like. Then below that, we've got this plan broken up into 2 sections, Chicagoland and Southern Wisconsin. And you can see each of them have all those things listed at the top with several different links to take them to those different areas. And then at the bottom, we've got a little heartfelt message tying it back to real estate and reminding them that you are here for them and their friends and family that they'd like to refer. So if there is something you'd like to edit on here, all you have to do is click on it, and the editor will open on the right there, and you can just hit save as you go. I do want to show you next to save at the top is options. You can send yourself a test email, and when you do that, you'll be able to click on all the links. You also can hit options, and you can do preview and see what it looks like. This is actually what it'll look like when it goes out to your clients. The only thing that'll be different is their name will populate in there right from your command contacts. You can see all the links are clickable, and all of my information's filled in there. So yours will fill in, it'll pull right in from your marketing profile. So that's what the email looks like. The other part of your marketing kit, you'll be able to get either on the MAR Tech Hub or from your leadership team or your Market Center tech trainer. But you'll have access to this folder here that has instructions that goes over what we just talked about. That's what this click here is. There's also some sample text in here for social media, because if you noticed, there's a couple pieces in here as well as those instructions. We've got a video that you and it's a little call to action to have people reach out to you or let them know that it's in their email. I did leave a little blank spot at the bottom here if you want to throw that in Canva and toss your logo on it. The other one is a static graphic. Again, you can post that on social media with any of these little prompts right here. Just make sure that you have a call to action on there. Right here it says DM me, so that they can sign up for your newsletter if they're not already on it. Make sure they don't miss out next time. So we've got the email, the text, the graphic for social media, and a little video or reel that you can put on your favorite social media account as well. So if you've got questions about that, go ahead and reach out to your tech trainer or leadership team, and they will be able to help walk you right through that. But have fun connecting with your clients, and maybe you'll find something fun to go do with your friends and family as well. I'll see you next month.